Hi there. This tutorial will show you how to add and manage users on your WordPress website. Let's get started. On your WordPress dashboard, go to Users and then select All Users. Here we can see who is currently set up as a user on your website. Select the Add New button. On this page, we will create the new users. Start by entering the username and their email address. Both of these fields are required. For the username, make sure to never use admin. This is the most common username and the first option during any hacking attempt. You can then update the additional fields, first name, last name, and website. These fields are optional. In the password field, you can select the auto-generated password that is provided. Just make sure to copy and paste the password in a secure place. You also have the option of entering your own password. Make sure the password is secure by using a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure the Send User Notification box is checked. This way the user will receive an email letting them know that they now have an account. The final step is selecting a role for the user. When you click on the drop-down, you will see different options: subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator. Each role allows a user a different level of access to your WordPress website. Let's take a moment to discuss each role. A subscriber is somebody who can only manage their profile. This is the lowest access level available. A contributor is somebody who can write and manage their own posts but cannot publish them. An author is somebody who can publish and manage their own posts. An editor is somebody who can publish and manage posts, including the posts of other users. And an administrator is somebody who has access to all the administration features within your website. Keep in mind that this gives them access to all the same settings and features that you have access to. Once you select the role you want to grant the new user, click on Add New User. The user will be notified via email about their new account. Users can also be updated to a different role or deleted from the account completely. To make updates to your user, go to Users, All Users, click on the user you want to edit. To change the role, click on the role drop-down and select the new role. You can also make other edits such as their name, adding a bio, etc. When you are done with your changes, scroll down and click on Update User. To delete a user from your account, go to Users, All Users, hover over the user you want to delete from your account and select Delete. If the user has any content attached to their account, such as blog posts, you will be asked what you want to do with this content. In most cases, I would suggest keeping the content and attaching it to a different user. In this case, we will select Attribute All Content To and select the user in the drop-down. If you rather delete the content that the user created, then select Delete All Content. Next, select Confirm Deletion. It's that easy. Thanks for watching our WordPress how-to video. For more tutorials and resources, visit the Jelly Design Studio blog.